Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I am definitely still looking at this move down on the 4 hour time frame, likely as a pullback to this move up, meaning that I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to make a higher low and continue up, mostly because of my daily, weekly, monthly time frame analysis. Now we did turn up a little bit, but it definitely doesn't look like a fib bounce. It definitely doesn't look like a break of structure. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think there's probably a better likelihood that it is going to go down. Then if it bounces from the 78%, goes up and breaks structure, I would definitely take it as a long because we have to remember all the very high time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So if we see a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice break of structure, then that definitely would be a long opportunity for me. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.